Shugor Nakaslem Jong Unongsan Hima.
Ka BJP Meghalaya mentagasngi ka arpuetrik uno pra arhajar arpulai klami shabar ban pen ida ka jingya khi haringkat ka jing thang no ting shop kom shi benta ban pen pau ka jing Pyrshah halor ka jing le khlap akor jong kuliang Pyrshah yo chairman ka Rajya Sabha kani ka jingya khi lapnong habar ka shram trekam ka BJP Biva Road da ka jingya don nang kinong ket kam kinong kershan bat kiwi umari ham khar krang ubadi unong aiktin ka sang Bharatiya Janata Party long baga sang ka pen pau ka jing Pyrshah abajur halor ka jingle jong ka seng ka badan na kaliang Pyrshah ya kani oba khar karang lakran ha ka bayade ka jing Pyrthuh board jong MP ka Trinamool Congress ukalyan banerjee yo chairman ka Rajya Sabha ujagdeep dan ghar ha ka bayade ba kani ba khar karang lapan pau ba ka ka ba lale do banerjee kalong ka ba amla ban pediang long ba ka te ka jingle amde ba ka kta yo brio ndai ka kta ya ka kerdan ka ba udan ha po ka yeng dor bar But kani kalong ka baklam buram ya riti sanchar jong kari.
Insult to Vice President. Insult to nation. Insult to Vice President. Insult to nation. Insult to Vice President. Insult to nation.
Ngi pen ramjor. Ngi pen ramjor. Ngi pen ramjor. We condemn
Opposition
parties. We condemn opposition parties. Insult to Vice President.
Insult to nation.
We have come here together because we strongly oppose the way that the opposition parties have demeaned a constitutional chair, which is the Vice President of India. It's not the person, but is a chair that we have to respect. He is holding a constitutional post. Now, how can you make a mockery and an insult to the Vice President is an insult to the constitution of our country that we abide by. Thank you very much. So, of course, that we leave the central body, Delhi. But this is just our indication that we stand along with the Vice President, and we indicate our moral support to him, that in spite of all these insults that has been fallen on him, but he should stand, and for him the country comes first, not these insults.